In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Close CRM. If you've connected your Gmail to Close for email syncing and sending, but now need to disconnect it, maybe you're switching inboxes, troubleshooting sync issues, or tightening security, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect once it's removed. Start by opening Close in your browser and signing into your workspace. From anywhere in the app, look for the settings area, typically the gear icon in the sidebar or top corner, and open it. You'll land in the main settings hub, which is where all user and account connections live. Within settings, head to the account and apps section. This page lists your connected tools. Find the email area that shows your Gmail connection. Next to it, you'll see a small pencil or edit icon. Click that to open the email integration details. This is the place where you originally connected Gmail, and it's also where the removal option is located. In the email integration panel, scroll if needed until you see the option to remove. Click Remove to begin unlinking Gmail from Close. You'll likely get a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm the removal. Close will then disconnect your Gmail account from your profile. Once it's unlinked, new emails will no longer sync into Close from Gmail, and sending emails from Close using that Gmail account will stop. Any messages that were previously imported generally remain in Close for historical reference, but fresh activity won't come through after the disconnect. If you work in a team, it's a good idea to let colleagues know that this inbox is no longer connected, so they aren't expecting new email activity inside Close. For admins, note that some workspaces limit removal to the account owner or the user who connected the inbox. If you don't see remove, it may be a shared or admin-managed email. Reach out to your administrator. If you use sequences or templates tied to that Gmail, update them accordingly. If you manage multiple email addresses, double-check you've edited the correct one before removing it. And if you disconnected Gmail for troubleshooting, you can always come back to the same account and apps area later to reconnect by adding Gmail again. A quick browser refresh after removal can help the settings page reflect the change right away. That's it. You've cleanly unlinked Gmail from Close CRM. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section if you want to follow along click by click while you make the change.